When we reach the age of 60, many of us come to terms with the fact that feeling heavy, bloated, and always fatigued is a natural part of the aging process. We attribute the problem to our age, our hormones, or the drugs we take. But what if I told you that a substantial source of that discomfort might be several kilograms of waste that has been impacted and has been lingering in your intestines for a long time? It is a frightening reality. On the other hand, the good news is that you do not require strong pharmaceutical laxatives or risky surgeries to obtain relief. In today's video, I will discuss a natural cleansing regimen that is mild, endorsed by medical professionals, and intended exclusively for older citizens. This is not about doing a severe colon cleanse. Rather, it is about using methods that are both safe and effective to assist your body in doing what it is designed to do. This method will allow you to reclaim that sensation of lightness, boost your energy levels, and ultimately say goodbye completely to constipation. Why constipation becomes worse after age 60. First, let's try to figure out why this tends to become such a widespread issue as we get older. Constipation is not a singular issue, but rather a complex combination of factors. Your digestive system's peristalsis naturally slows down, and it refers to the normal contraction of the muscles in your digestive tract. When we become less active, many of us tend to drink less water than we ought to, and this is a problem. Moreover, typical drugs for problems such as high blood pressure, discomfort, or other disorders might have an impact that is drying and constipating. The end effect is not simply discomfort. It is a chain reaction of issues, including persistent weariness, since your body is having trouble eliminating toxins, unsatisfactory sleep, a loss of appetite, and bloating that causes your clothes to feel tight. One must always keep in mind that a healthy stomach serves as the basis for a healthy body. Warning indications that your intestines need to be cleaned. When you are carrying this additional load, how do you know if you are? Your body is sending you clear indications. If you feel persistent bloating, particularly after meals, you should pay attention to anything. The fact that you are still feeling exhausted after a full night's sleep is a huge warning sign. Some other symptoms include having foul breath or a persistently bitter taste, passing stools that are tiny and firm, experiencing skin problems that cannot be explained, such as itching or a dull complexion, and even experiencing periodic dizziness or brain fog. If you identify 2 or more of these symptoms, a mild cleaning may be the solution to regaining and restoring your health. Number 1. Prune and kefir mix. Before going to bed, combine 1 cup of plain kefir with 5 prunes that have been pitted and are soft. Kefir is a source of helpful microorganisms, while prunes contain sorbitol, which is a substance that naturally attracts water into the gut. Overnight, it operates in a gentle manner. Number 2. Warm water therapy. First thing in the morning, you should drink a glass of warm water, not hot water, before doing anything else. You only need to add a few drops of fresh lemon juice to the mixture. By doing this straightforward routine, you may stimulate the activity of your liver, wake up your entire digestive system, and gently moisten your intestines to induce bowel movements in the morning. Number 3. Flaxseed infusion. 1 spoonful of whole flax seeds should be soaked in 1 cup of warm water for a full 14 hours. The liquid that has been somewhat thickened should be consumed in the morning, and the seeds should be chewed. Because of this, you will receive a significant increase in soluble fiber, which helps to control cholesterol levels and produces stool that is soft, bulky, and simple to pass. Number 4. Oat kissel. You might not be familiar with this, but it is a formidable force. The entire oats should be brought to a boil in around 300 milliliters of water for 10 minutes. After it has cooled, filter it, and then consume the warm liquid that smells like gel. By coating the intestinal walls, this kissel helps reduce inflammation and facilitates the removal of trash and mucus that have become sticky over time. Number 5. The internal brush salad. To prepare the dish, grated carrots and beetroots are combined with a small amount of olive oil and lemon juice. When you consume this salad 3 to 4 times each week, it functions as a gentle brush for your intestines, clearing away waste and offering tremendous support for your liver. Number 6. Castor oil pack. For older citizens, applying castor oil to the skin is a much safer option than consuming it. Warm up a few teaspoons of oil in a saucepan. Spend 5 minutes massaging it into your belly in a clockwise circle using a gentle massage technique. After that, leave it covered with a warm cloth for 15 minutes. Not only does this herb promote bowel motion through the skin, but it also has a nice tranquilizing effect. Number 7. Bloating herbal. Blend together 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile, 1 teaspoon of peppermint, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Steep for 10 minutes in water that is hot. The use of this warm tea after meals alleviates gas, relaxes spasms, and lowers bloating without the use of any harsh chemicals. If you found the information to be useful, please click the like button, talk about it with a friend who is over the age of 60, and subscribe to Natural Life Hacks to learn about further natural strategies to safeguard your strength, balance, and vitality after the age of 60.